Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AMC Plus on Fire TV step by step clearly. To activate AMC Plus on your Fire TV, first, turn on your Fire TV device. Navigate to the home screen. Using your remote, scroll down to the Find option. Select Search from the drop-down menu. Type in AMC Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the AMC Plus app, select it to open the app page. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation process to complete. After installing, select Open to launch the AMC Plus app. You will be presented with a login screen. If you already have an AMC Plus account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, you may need to verify your account via email or text. Check your email or phone for the verification link and follow the instructions. After verification, return to the AMC Plus app on Fire TV. Your account should now be active. Explore the content available on AMC Plus and enjoy your viewing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.